It's your girl KianaJTv, KianaJTv, and I know my last video I was a little bit dead. I was so tired, y'all. Like, this pregnancy is taking a complete toll, but we are here to recreate Teaira's Walker's eyebrow routine, cause I need mine to look like her. Point where I don't have all the stuff for her eyebrow routine, but we got the basics. I just went and picked this up. It's precisely my brow pencil by Benefit. That's it right here. And I got the number 5 one. That's like the brownest one that matches my skin tone. And y'all, and I had to pick up this too. I wanted to try this out. This Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. I had to pick this up because, y'all, baby girl is taking a toll on my skin. Like, okay. Oh, it has rosewater. I just need moisture because my skin is super duper dry. So, since I sprayed all that, I'm going to let that air out. But before I hop into that, I picked up this for my face as well. I took it out of the packaging. I like washing my face in the shower for some reason because it opens up my pores. So, I got this silicone face... I can't talk today. I got this silicone facial brush. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm back. So, this is what it looks like. I had to get some batteries to make it work. You turn it on just like that. You could turn it up. You could turn it down. And these bristles right here supposed to get into your skin. So, I've been using this. Just trying to get my skin to a certain type of balance because it's been wild. And the face wash that I use right now, I know I brought that over here. Here it is. Okay. Is this Alaffia Neem Turmeric Cleanser. Looks like this. I think I picked up the whole collection. I have this. I also have right here the skin treatment, that right there, and the spray, the facial mist. Oh, you can tell I've been using this a lot, the facial mist. I can't really say if it works or not. I know it tingles when I freaking put that thing on. Sometimes it tingles so much once I use this and the face wash so much, like I don't even want to put nothing on it. I just like spray it with this mist spray and that's it. Like, so I rarely use the skin treatment. Maybe I should use it, but I feel like my skin is kind of raw after I use those other products. I don't know. And then at the same time, it could be working good, but since I'm pregnant, my skin gonna want to do what all it wants to do with my hormones anyways. We're gonna see if we could try and get the Teaira Walker's eyebrows, because her eyebrows are fire, y'all. Like, if you haven't seen her posts on Instagram or her on here on YouTube, honey, you need to, okay? Because that's the first thing I noticed about her. I've been following her for a minute. But I'm like, how in the world? And then, you know, when you looking for a video that you want to do, you go through all their videos. You like, she has to have something about her eyebrows. So, yeah. So, I didn't even think about it. I should have got like a mirror. Because, like, without my glasses, I really can't see. Boom! We got one right here. We about to use this. So, first, the packaging. Y'all already know Benefit do they thing or whatever. But look at this. It looks so bougie. Like, you don't know. Ooh, catch it. What you finna do with it? Look at that. Was it a twist off? Maybe it's a pop off. Okay, it's a pop off. And look at that fresh. Oh, it's fresh out the box. So it's a pop on, pop off. Ultra fine brow defining pencil. Alright, look, that's the pop up. It has the spoolie. So this is what we about to do. We about to go to work. I know I'm not following her tutorial precisely because I don't have everything that she has. But in due time, I will. I just really wanted to get this brow pencil because I have naturally short eyebrows. As you can see, it's like, you know what I'm saying? So I have to elongate them. Oh, look at this. You could use this to teach. This is what we're going to be doing today. Follow right here, tap right here. Like, this is like a magical wand. You know what I'm saying? This is what we're going to be doing today. Let me just give you my signature. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, I'm just curious. I'm not gonna pull it up to. I just want to see how much product it gets to you. Y'all do not start applying your eyebrow. Okay, that's how much product it gives you. That right there. What was this? $25? Yep, they want you to come back for more. But let's see how long this lasts. It might be something that lasts a long time. So, all right, let's try it. So with me, I still use the line of symmetry to help with my eyebrows. This is the old school method, y'all, to see where you should start and stop and everything. Just for symmetry, because you know how she said in her video, they're sisters, not twins. I'm talking about the eyebrows, y'all. The eyebrows. Alright. Alright, let's. I'm a little nervous. Ah, shit. Alright, so first, I just naturally like starting with the tail. Oh, it's so precise. That's why they call it precisely, right? Yeah, precisely. And that brown matches perfectly with my eyebrows. Like, even though my eyebrows are like black, you want to blend with a dark brown because you don't want it to be too harsh. You don't want that brows. You get what I'm saying? You don't want that. Okay? So, like in the front, she does like 7 strokes, 7 to 8 strokes, something like that. So, let me wipe that off. That's just my guideline. Woo! 5, 6. Well, I did more. How'd that look? I got to put my glasses to kind of see what I done did. I know I'm doing more. I'm doing more than symmetrical. Let me see. Okay. Let me do the other one. Let me do the other one. Okay. We'll start with the tail once again. Easy about that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. I like this one better, of course, because I feel like I kind of messed up on this one a little. But, hold up. Am I in focus when I get closer? There we go. It's not bad, and you can see how dry my skin is. Like, that is not bad. That is not bad. I like it. I really like it. Hold up, okay. Hold up. Y'all see this? Hold up, let me autofocus this right here. Oh, let me take it off the tripod. Y'all gonna see this work. And it was so effortless. Like, look. I like this one better. There we go. What? I got what's it called? Like, y'all see how dry my skin is. I like it. I kind of want my eyebrows to have a little bit more arch. I feel like they're kind of a little straight across, like a little bit. But I like them. You see how I kind of like flared it at the front, like to have like that hair-like appearance. This one, I feel like that's the sister. This is the model brow. Oh my gosh. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all drop some skincare, something for pregnant people, something with me. Give me some advice because I'm struggling. But this is the Precisely, make sure I say, my brow pencil. I love it. I love it. Now, it says what? It's waterproof? We gonna try that out. Does it rub off easily? Let me see. No? A little bit, but that's kind of expected. A little. We gonna see how this thing go, and I'll give y'all updates on the thing. Anyways, thank you for watching. Teaira, I hope you're watching. Hopefully I did your eyebrows. I know I ain't do that little gel thing at the end like how you did. Girl, let me get there. Let me get there. I ain't boiling, okay? I'm crawling, okay? So, if you like what you see, if you want to see more, if you want to drop video ideas, subscribe, hit that bell button, comment, like, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Peace.